YouTube. I'm gonna give y'all a little vlog today. Nothing really too much. I'm about to get a cut right now, but I'm about to find me a fit right quick. I'm watching this right here. If y'all know who this is, V-Long, he be a Quan and them. I'm about to find me a fit. I got this gray hoodie. Let me see what I'm wear though. I got all these pants. I think I'm gonna go black with these. Which black should I go? I got 3 pair of black pants. I'm gonna just throw these on right here. I'm right there. Don't mind my room though. I got all this stuff. I should have did a review on this hoodie right here, Billionaire. I got another one coming in today. I'm gonna add it in the vlog though. In my heart. Look at all these shoes. Let me see. What should I get? These right here. Oh, it's not cutting with them. It really don't go, but it do. It's a brown. This brown a little darker though. But hey, it's alright. This gonna be my first time wearing these mugs too, so might as well. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna turn the camera on when I leave the crib though. Alright, y'all see the fit? It's alright, it ain't that bad. It's a decent fit. It ain't nothing you just flick on the gram though. I was about to set him, but I'm glad I kept him though. It's alright. Look at the jacket. Man, I need to clean my room, man. But good eats. You know, gotta catch up on the vlog. On the videos with them. For sure. But I'm about to go ahead and head out. So I'm gonna pick the camera up when I get it to the barbershop. Alright, y'all. Y'all see I got a cut. I forgot to record when I was going in. I'm tripping. I need to get my minutes up because I don't like having videos under 10 minutes though. But I'm gonna pick the camera. I'm about to give me something to eat. Then I might go to the crib. Cause I just got my hoodie and I'm gonna try it on. Then later I might go somewhere. Cause I gotta go to the store and give me some hygiene little products like deodorant and all that. Alright, I'm gonna pick the camera up when I give me something to eat. Alright, y'all, I'm back home, man. I got good eats. Zaxby's. My hoodie came in too. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me cover the address. Y'all see. Billionaire Studios. I'm gonna try it on for y'all. Let me take this hoodie off. Drop down in the comments. I want to see a tattoo hard too. I'm a little tatted. Gotta get this redone. Gotta get all this redone right here. All this tat though. Let's see what this mud hitting on. Y'all see. Fredo hoodie in my heart. I got another one too. I'm gonna show that one too. It's hard. It ain't even gonna cap. I got some shoes that go with it too. Let me see. It's a little big though, but it's alright. Let me see if I get a different angle. Hold on, I'm gonna change the. Alright, this how it look. This mud fit nice. It's just a little big on the sleeve though, but I think that's how it's made. It's more hard. Let me put the hood on for y'all. Make sure y'all shop Billionaire for sure. A detail on it. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Okay, let me see. Hold up. Look, y'all. Y'all see? This mud hard. I think I go like, I want to go camo pants with a black fitted tee, black fitted polo. But this mud good, though. This mud hard. I'm a little afraid though. I ain't listen to the music like that, but it's hoodie hard, though. I'm for sure flicking up on the ground with this. This mud hard. I like how I got the little side thing on there. This mud hard. It was worth the wait, though. It took about a month, but hey. This one hard. I like the detail on it too. But alright, I might try on the other hoodie. Alright, y'all see. This is the second one right here. This one a little big though. It's the same size though. Y'all see? I think you can scan it. I don't know if it's true or not. I see him post it. I'm really trying to show y'all the back, but it's just a 9. It's the same thing as the other one. It's my hard though. Don't mind my dirty room. It's really not even dirty though, but I wear these with the pandas, but I got some great pants, great Sundays to go with it. Look at the detail. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm here to give me some hygiene. I might get this right here. Something like some orders. You know, do I need some more of this? I don't know. I don't need no more. I already got me some. What's up? Yeah. I want to try these right here. I don't know if I should get these right here. Try these. You're good. Oh, what kind of shit get? At the crib now, man. This was a short vlog today, though. Hey, but I went to the mall. Look at that cop, though. Y'all know. These came out today. Sunlight. And I got me some. Hey, see, this is what happens when you got too many shirts. Got a pack, you know, 30% off at the cop. I got straight slim fit. I'm gonna have to see how it's gonna fit in here. It's all full in here. I might make some space in here somehow. YouTube, what up? Back with a video, back with a look. I don't know if this is gonna be a vlog, cause today all I'm doing is really putting tints on my car. I don't know yet though. Look at the fit. Got the Nike Tech shorts on. I need the hoodie, but I can't find it. But I think I'm gonna go 20% on her, on my car. If y'all can see, them a little fishbowl. But it got tints on it, but I need to get a little darker. I don't know though. But I'm about to pull up at the shop. I think I'm gonna show y'all before I get the tints. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all before. Then I'm gonna do before and after though. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get there. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, look, I'm gonna get tints over. You can see inside of it still. I think I'm gonna put add 10 on it though. But I'm gonna add something to the front. Look at the car. I need to get a wash in the detail. It's a little dirty, don't mind though. But look how I look in the front. You can see straight through it though. The little place I'm going to over there though. If you can see it. Oh boy, I'm waiting on my homie though. He supposed to be going with me, so. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna pick it up. I think I'm gonna pick it up when I talk to the lady about how much it costs. Then I think I really don't even know, be real. Cause I want this month to be a little long vlog though, but I don't know, cause it probably won't take so long, cause it ain't nobody over there, if y'all can see. So, but alright, I'm gonna pick it up when I'm done. Alright, y'all see, got the tents done. You can't see nothing in here. I should have low-key never went 5. I should have went like 10. Cause this is dark. I ain't even gonna care. Let me get out the car and show y'all. Oh snap. It mud is dark. Y'all see how dark it is? I went 5. Then 5 on the sides, then 20 in the back. Shh. I ain't care if I get a ticket, I'm taking him off and putting 10 on. It's mud hard though. Boy, you can't see nothing in here. Y'all see? You can't see nothing. It's over with. I low-key wish I ain't go 5. I ain't even gonna cap. Because it's too dark. I can't see nothing. Look. I got my blinker on. You can't see it. Like, this is too dark. I ain't even gonna cap. I don't know how y'all do it with 5%. But if I get a ticket, I'm going to go down to 10, 15%. Because it is dark. I ain't even going to tell you. It's too dark. It's too dark, y'all. But alright, y'all. This is the end of the video. I might add this to the other vlog I did earlier this week. Yeah, I'm going to do that. But alright, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Drop down what you want me to do next.